Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am back here with a new car, a new video. This is a 2011 Ford Figo 1.4 ZXI Duratorq TDCI diesel. It's a white color hatchback in marvelous condition. So it's got the facelift headlamps and the bumper, all 4 new tires, and the car is absolutely scratchless, non-accidental. It's done 80,000 kilometers, and the car is a second owned vehicle on RC. Insurance is valid till August 2021. This is the exterior walk around that I'm giving you of the car, so you can see how the car looks from outside. So there are no scratches on the left side, on the front. Coming to the rear of the car, the right side tail lamp is absolutely clean and clear, intact, no damage to it. The number of the car is again beautiful, 1415, pretty attractive. The rear of the car is also scratchless. The right side tail lamp is also intact with no damage to it. There's a minor scratch just above the bumper on the corner, which is negligible. Showing you the right profile, the right side of the car. That's also scratchless. As you can see, the car is all in original paint. There's not even a touch-up that we've done on the car. Very well maintained, beautiful looking hatchback. This is a 1.4, which is 1400cc diesel turbocharged engine. Pretty peppy and powerful, yet drives about 19 to 20 kilometers per liter of diesel in city and about 23-24 kilometers on highways. I will now take you inside the car and we'll also go for a spin, so you would know how the car drives. First we'll look at the interiors of the car. So this is how the car looks from inside. It's silver and black, pretty sporty interiors with those round blowers like sports cars. This is the front right door trim. These are the rear seats of the car. The seat covers are new, so you don't have to replace them. This is how the dashboard looks from the rear seat. There's an integrated factory fitted music player that comes in the car. It comes with Bluetooth and a USB and an aux. These are the power window buttons. This is the electric mirror adjustment joystick. So the ORVM is all electric. I am inside the car on the driving seat now. Started the engine. The car doesn't have any malfunctions on it. I will now be turning on the air conditioning of the car. It's done 81,428 kilometers precisely. We'll now go for a spin and you'll see how the car drives. It comes with front 2 power windows, power steering, good chilling air conditioning, leather seats, rear glass defogger, rear glass wiper, factory fitted music system, electric ORVM, and a valid insurance till August 2021. You don't have to spend a penny on the car, just buy and drive. Current market scenario for any other hatchback, petrol or diesel 2011 would not come for the price that I'll give this car to you for. Right now I'm driving the car at the speed of 60 and the car is driving absolutely flawless. There are no humming noise, there's no suspension noise, there's no rattling plastic noise in the car. Pretty smooth, sturdy and stable driving vehicle. Price of the car is just 2,21,000 rupees. You can see the vehicle at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37, Kaneri CHS near Gurudwara. You can reach me on 9768-001-006 for more information if required. However, I have provided everything in the video, so I don't think there's any doubt which is left that you may ask for over the phone. So you can directly call me for booking up an inspection and a test drive of the vehicle. Take a test drive and then we can look forward to close the deal at the best possible price for you. Once again, you can reach me on 9768-001-006. Do not hesitate to call or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. This was on Convoy Cars that you've seen.